Dear students, we have completed Unit 2, The Wonders of Visible Light. Let us see the questions and answers.
Hi,
I'm Gauri B, studying in 7th E. Previous class questions and answers. Mirrors are made up of glass, but it is not transparent. Why? Mirrors do not allow light to pass through it because one side of the mirror is covered with chemical mercury and paint. What is a lens? Lens is a transparent material which has at least one curved surface. What are two types of lens? Explain. Convex lens and concave lens. Convex lens, lens with thicker central portion and thin edge is convex lens. Concave lens, lens with thin central portion and thick edge is concave lens. Name the devices where lenses are used. Telescope, camera, projector, microscope, etc. What do you mean by dispersion of light? The phenomenon of splitting up of white light into its component colors is dispersion of light. Thank you.
Now let us see the third unit, Acids and Alkalis. Dear children, during our day-to-day life, we handle many substances. It will be very interesting and useful for you to know some special characters among these substances. Let us see the acids and alkalis. The basic knowledge about acids and alkalis will enable you to handle safely chemicals in the school laboratory, to know more about chemical substances, and to create interest in doing experiments. Therefore, let us study this unit carefully. What is acid? Acid is a chemical reactive with metals and carbonides. All acids have sour taste and it contains hydrogen. Acids present in food substances are weak, but hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, etc. used in the laboratories are strong acids. While handling acids or chemicals, we must note the following points. Do not taste, do not touch, do not smell, do not let it fall on the body. Use a dropper while transferring acid from bottle, and while diluting an acid, pour small quantities of acid slowly into water taken in a beaker and stir well, and use a holder to hold a test tube. Now let us look at some of the acids contained in certain food substances of daily use. Buttermilk, lactic acid, vinegar, acetic acid, tamarind, tartaric acid, lemon, citric acid, apple, malic acid, gooseberry, ascorbic acid, and tomato, oxalic acid. All these are different types of weak acids. Let us see next what is alkali. Substances which have bitter taste and slimy, which turn red litmus into blue, are called alkalis. Soap, calcium carbonate, caustic soda, baking soda, lime water, etc. are examples of alkalis. In order to know whether a substance is acid or alkali, we use litmus paper or hibiscus paper. A litmus paper is an indicator used in laboratories. Indicators are substances that help us to distinguish between acids and alkalis through color change. Litmus paper is available in red and blue. Blue litmus paper turn red in acids and red litmus turn blue in alkalis. We can make litmus paper using hibiscus flowers. Rub thoroughly a hibiscus flower on both sides of a piece of white paper. Remove all traces of flowers sticking on it after it is dried, and using scissors cut the paper into long and narrow strips. This can be called hibiscus paper. Parts of plants like turmeric, hibiscus, beetroot, etc. can be used as indicators. I hope all of you have seen the different experiments conducted through Kite Victor's channel. You might have heard about pH value. pH paper is used to examine whether a substance is acidic or alkaline. If pH value is 7, it indicates a neutral substance. It means the substance is neither acidic nor alkaline. The pH value of pure water is 7. When pH value is greater than 7, the substance is alkaline, and when it is less than 7, it is acidic. A color chart marked with a pH value is available along with a pH paper. The color change produced when a pH paper is dipped in a solution is compared with the color chart to find whether the solution is acidic or alkaline in nature. Okay, let us conclude this part with some questions. Question number 1. What is acid? 2. Write the points while handling chemicals. 3. Write the names of different acids. 4. Write the name of strong acids. 5. What is alkali? 6. List a few examples of alkalis. 7. What is litmus paper? 8. What is indicator? And 9. How to make hibiscus paper? And last, describe pH paper. Okay, read the textbook and find out the answers. Thank you.